Hi everyone, I'm back with a new video. In this video, I'm gonna let you know what are the fees and charges associated with Bank of Queensland credit card. Bank of Queensland offer a variety of different credit card. According to them, the interest rate as well as the fees associated with also differs according to the credit card that you hold. So for that, to understand this in detail, go to the official page or the link, that is www.boq.com.au/personal credit card. That's going to take you to their official page. Over here, you need to go ahead and click on see credit card offers. You would also go ahead and view that, and over there you'll be able to see the types of credit card that they offer. So here what you have to do is, to understand this in details, go to the learn more section, and over here you'll be able to find the fees as well as the interest rate associated with the particular credit card. As mentioned earlier, the Bank of Queensland offer a variety of cards, so the interest rate as well as annual fees associated with them also differs. You have to view one after the another for other credit card as well. So with this, you'll be able to see the fees and charges associated with Bank of Queensland credit card. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.